And you guys know that
Ed, I got to hold it right there because that's a very interesting thought. I have some stats for you right now. I'm going to go to the videotape. So all these kids going through '08, mom and dad lost their home. Oh, woe is me. I don't want to own a home.
Right.
I don't go to home ec. I don't know how to fix this stuff up. I'm a deadbeat loser on my parents' couch. I'm not summing it up for everybody and I'm being a smartass, but check it out. So '08, people lost their homes. It was stressful for them. They couldn't get over it. Here we go. Disney, 7,000 employees cut this year. I'm gonna run down the tech list. Salesforce, 8,000 employees. Accenture, never even heard of them, 19,000. Microsoft, 10,000. Facebook, 21,000. Twitter, 7,500. And Amazon, over 100,000 people. So if you're one of those poor souls in a tech job that doesn't know how to use their hands, I got some news for you here. Maybe there's an opportunity to go buy your first fixer-up or starter home with that severance that you got and learn to fix it up and roll into the next one. Because historically in America, for the last probably 100 or so years, people's parents, including mine, including Gino's, including my grandparents, bought a small home. They stayed in it for many years, hopefully fixed it up, sold it for more, and then went to another modest home, fixed it up, and did the same thing. This was a wealth-building playbook for generations of Americans that we've lost. And there's, a tremendous wealth gap now between baby boomers and millennials. And if you look at one of the biggest differences, baby boomers hold a lot of real estate compared to the millennials that are renting an apartment. And that's where that wealth gap is coming from. So, gang, look, own where you live if you can. I think you can start small and build off of it. And to Ed's point, if you're in California, you're going to see nice appreciation.
Well, I see that it's happening everywhere. But all right, since 1941, we've had 73 years up in home values, 7 years down, and 1 year flat since 1941. So what does that tell you? The housing
You're up
market's
60
gonna
years.
Yeah, you're up 73 years. But anyway.
Well, I'm saying that like 73,
net.
like, you're netting 60 out of the
Right.
Yeah, regardless, we're good.
Right. So I think a lot of people, that's why everybody's like, I'm waiting for the bubble. I'm waiting for this and waiting for that. And the bubble's not, the only bubble we're seeing is the opportunity bubble, which means you're going to lose out on getting the house at a very good price, having the seller work with you right now. And yes, you can always refinance and get a lower rate going forward. And
there's an inventory difference too from '08 till now. I think there was a bit more inventory looking at '08 when the housing market crashed, and we haven't rebounded or kept up with demand. So that's another thing to take in consideration if you're looking at buying a house right now.
Well, let me just answer that. So in '08, we had 3.5 million houses on the market, and they were building homes still.
Mm-hmm.
And we have nothing close to that right now.